Aiden,
Yeah. Yeah.
Ukraine and Russia from a drone.
Is that a Russian team?
I don't know. Someone against someone. Looks like Russians. Or Ukraine have Russian arms.
Yeah.
Everything they got is from Russia. But I think United States giving them ATA, AT. And probably cruise missiles too. But Russian cruise missiles ain't no joke. Who's this guy?
It's like Poland. Versus China. It's really one-sided.
They gotta send soldiers to the east, to the west. And I think they're shooting from here. They're getting an ambush from there. What are shooting? What? Did you spell the enemies?
Russia was trying to, say that they had no damage taken from the Ukrainians, but now they can't hide it now. There's footage out.
Yeah.
They're saying no Russian soldiers or tanks have been lost. And they're taking off in the beginning.
So how you doing, Tic Tac? This is me talking about military. With Aiden. Aiden, how you doing?
Good.
So what do you think? What do you think is going on? What do you think of this guy over here?
Ukraine is really putting up a good fight, and but it's really one-sided because Russia is such a big superpower. Ukraine is such a small country. But depending on how it goes, if Russia pushes any more or does anything bad, possibly war crimes, like the U.S. could step in.
What do you think of the United States joining in? Oh, I think there's just, are those soldiers right there? What is that right there? Oh, they are moving. Oh, they're moving. Look, those are soldiers. Oh, so what do you think? If United States enter the war?
Definitely would take a challenge, and it would be a lot more of a large-scale war because Russia has the support of North Korea.
What happened in there? Yeah. Oh, looks like we got a line of soldiers over here. You see that?
Yeah.
Maybe reverse all the way to the. Oh, so where are they? Oh, they're right there. You can see about 12 to 15 soldiers, possibly Russians.
It's like a close range, yeah.
So what do you think the view of the drone?
Very good view. I'm surprised that it hasn't been noticed. But I'd hate to live so close to a battlefield like that.
So what is your message about those people who are living in that area right now?
I pray for them because, it's really messed up. Russia's invading them without cause. They say that it's in self-defense, but you're probably right. And it's mainly urban warfare. And there's not a lot of, this isn't a highway.
Looks like a tank, BMP. Possibly an infantry fighting vehicle. Looks like those are nice neighborhoods being bombed, either by Russia.
They probably already moved away. Or sheltering. I wonder what Russia's doing with any civilians they catch. They're probably leaving them alone, but at least they should.
I I guess there's an agreement that you can you have to feed them and treat them with respect.
Well, that's always been the case with POWs, but nobody's ever followed it.
But some communists, when they're powerful, they will.
Russia has always been an evil superpower. They've always been commanders. Soviet Union.
Oh, look at that guy running. You see that?
I'm just taking this wounded one.
So, what do you think of that view of that drone? Do you think is that a military drone, a civilian drone, possibly a civilian drone?
It's likely a civilian drone, but just a very good quality for sure. And it's very high up, so
Okay, looks like there's a car right there. I don't know if there's that a civilian car. Get us zoom in right there. Let's go.
if the U.S. were to join this war, it'd be a lot more different than Afghanistan. A lot much different.
Oh wait. No, well the thing is
Yeah,
that
'cause, like,
no, it will be. I believe that it will be really easy because well, not easy,
It'd
but
be easier because
the thing is that what gave United States problem in Afghanistan was the mountains. With civilian clothes, that was a guerrilla war. With Russia, that's a military. You could tell which one of the soldiers easy to spot, easy to kill.
it'd be a lot easier because America's trained in urban wars.
Yeah.
That more tactical.
Alright guys, if you want to find any more information, you could go to his website. Let's give credit into credit. Give honor in whom honor is due.